Alright guys, so I'm going to video one of the film in this area. Okay, this is cows and sheep and then lots of many things. So this is the very cows area. I think this is a private property and I just moving in that way. This is a very big size area. So that's cow. Oh, there's seeing cows in over there. In this there is many cows and the field in here, right? So this is the natural beauty, right? My aim is to making the cows video. Let's see how big, how can I make the videos in the cows. So this is video area. Okay, that is very nice and cow. So this footpath area, and that is very nice. Okay, that is residential main road away. That is the highway. Let's see how can I make the videos in the cow, sheep and goat. I think I can get in the other way. Making video. That is actually beautiful. That is very nice. Cow farming in here. That's actually beautiful. Okay. This is actually really nice. Okay. 3.1 miles. So that's basically cow farming. Okay. I can see the video in here. This is a okay. That is nice video. I can make a nice video of this cow. This is a nice, all up good. Yeah. The sheep is the main sheep. This is a all of sheep. Cow. Let's see, I can get into other way to making the video. So how nice is it? I'm not sure if I can get in or not. Maybe I can get in, maybe I can, maybe I not. I'll try to make some video. Okay, this is all of cattle. This is our sheep. Okay. I think I can get in. So there is a way to go. It's very nice. Ooh. That's really beautiful. That's really nice. So right, so there is a big land, huge land in here. So could be so taking some video. Okay, that is really very nice. That's really very beautiful. This is actually very nice cattle. This cattle and sheep. You see, there is many of them. That's it. That is very nice. That's very nice. It's that's a really very beautiful, nice and beautiful cow. I think that the sheep is the owner in here. That's very nice. Mm, that is really, really nice. Okay, this is very beautiful. See, okay, that's a sheep. Right. That's nice. Okay, that is a beautiful, natural. Actually, this is a natural, beautiful flower, cow flower, and I hope you like it. This is the owner, I think. This is a very nice, beautiful. I think people will like it. That's very beautiful. That's very nice. That he use land. He use cattle land, cattle farming. Yeah, they should like it. I should like it. I love it. That's really, really very nice. Mm. Okay, let's see. I can get in and collect more video. I think I did not say anything. This is very nice. Okay, let's see how nice is it. I think the many thousand of cow, million of sheep, cattle. Okay, let's see how nice is it. It's a very beautiful countryside. Woohoo! That's really beautiful. See how many thousand of cows and cattle, sheep. See, hello. See, they are running. Cow. That's nice. That's really beautiful. That's really beautiful. Yeah, that's very nice. Cattle. That is beautiful. Oh, I can see the cows. So this called cows. Cow farming. Okay. This land is, see how big is it? The million pound earthy land. They don't do nothing. J three sheep. See the sheep, all of sheep, all of Zilal. So all everywhere is sheep. Everywhere is a cow. See cattle. I can see them. Okay, that's really beautiful. That's, see the grass, all of grass, and all of cattle. Okay, so people in the UK, United Kingdom, Scotland, Ireland, inland everywhere, inland, basically Great Britain, the huge sheep, cow, and the basically much more cow and sheep. The all of good breed cow and good breed cattle. Okay, that is very nice. So that's this is a cow. See the cow. This cow. This cow. See the cow. Okay. See. That's it. This cow. He's a hello. That's this cow. This is very beautiful cow. Okay, that's very beautiful. Okay, so how healthy are they? Oh, This is it. That's it. Those are the cow, the all of sheep and cattle. See, wow, many birds. See the bird. Oh, how beautiful is it? Ooh, ooh, ooh. See, this is really beautiful. This is really beautiful. Amazing. See the cows, all of sheeps. Okay, many cow. Come on. See the cow. See the cow. See the cow. Okay. How nice is beautiful. See? No, my camera is not bigger. How big is it? Okay, that is very beautiful. That's it. See the cow. That's called cow. How big is it? See? There? See? How big is it? Oh, oh, that's really beautiful. No, sure. Oh, wait, go, okay. See how he's coming to. Oh, see that? He's coming to hit me. So this is really beautiful. Okay. See how nice is it? Nice is it? That is very beautiful. Okay, that's really beautiful. So see how they are, how big are they? They are very nice. Okay, so the million of cows they're keeping rearing in the UK. Oh, that's really very nice. So see the video. They never had not a single bushy or anything. They only eat. Okay, very nice. So this is a cattle farm in the UK. Really is very nice. That's really very good. Alright guys, so today videos is I showed them how nice is and beautiful is it. So they are coming. Before they're coming, I have to go because either they have attack. So they was coming. They are coming in there. So all are there before the cow come. I think I have to out because the man is coming. I don't know if the heat or not. Okay, they're coming on that way. Okay, the menu. This is a good breed cow. That's very good. That's nice. Okay, alright guys, I showed to the video is how is the UK rearing cow. And oh, see, all cows is there. See the cow. Oh, this is very nice. This is beautiful, amazing. Alright guys, so today I made the video the UK cow, sheep and goat, how they're rearing, how they're keeping, and It's really very nice, really beautiful. Okay, that's beautiful. That's really beautiful, nice. So, alright guys, if you like my video, please like, share, and please like and share and subscribe my channel. If you are continuous to see video, continue see my video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you, bye bye.